Hey guys, so in this video we're going to cover 3 types of image ads that you can implement on your Facebook ad account to increase your ROAS, and these type of ads that I've gathered from the foreplay and that I will show you what's good about them and how to create them are really easy to create. And if you have them on your Facebook ad account for your products, there's a very good chance that you will increase your ROAS and decrease your cost per acquisition. So without further ado, let's get straight to the thing. So the first type of ad that we're going to call is called the Promis Lead. What's really specific about this ad is that, as you can see in the first example where these guys are selling some product for a better skin, you can see how in this ad they have the promise in the ad. So you have to understand what's the benefit that your product provides to your customers, and the best way to do that is to just listen to them, how it helped them with their life. And what you should do is, just like in this ad, you can see glowing skin in 7 days. So this ad is bringing the promise to receivers. You can see how they have highlighted the glowing skin because that's what matters to their customers. So when they're scrolling the social media and they see this ad, the first thing that they're going to notice here is the glowing skin. So that's how they get their attention. That's how they scroll stop. And then after they get the attention, they see the whole promise which says glowing skin in 7 days. So that's the promise that this product and this brand promises to their customers when they see their ad and when they buy their product. Then you have some of the ingredients that this product has, like vitamin B5 and all these things. So it's pretty simple. Find the benefit that your product is providing, then make it as a promise, as a statement on your ad, and that way you will attract and make them convert. So yeah, that's the first example that we have here. And the second example that we have here is 14 days to relieve neuropathy. So once again, you can see how these two ads, what they have in common is they have the time span and the promise of the benefit. So 5 days to relieve neuropathy. And once again, you can see how the neuropathy stands out. It has that blue background. In the first example, I like it more how it stands out, but in the second example, it's not that bad. So once again, we have the time span. How long will it take them to solve their problem? So the benefit of this product is to solve the neuropathy. So yeah, you can see they have also added the kind of offer on the below. I'm not sure if they have tested with this or without this one, but anyway, that's not the point of this video. The point is that to understand this promise lead of this video. So yeah, an example that we have here is from the brand called Obvi, and you can see their promise is a bit different than the first two, and it says fit into those jeans again. And you can see they have the image of a lady with her jeans, how she fits her jeans again. So she actually lost weight so she can finally feel again confident and fit her old stuff. We all know when you gain weight and you cannot fit into those old stuff, that's a bad feeling. And they're promising that with this product they will fit into those jeans again, as you can see, and then they state decrease body weight, decrease waist. So you can see how these examples states the promise, they promise the benefit, and when you bring them the time frame, it just seems more realistic to your visitors. So on the bottom of this ad, you can see that they have also stated this powered by clinically studied ingredients, and that's what also brings the credibility. So this ad have just gone for the benefit, promise, and the credibility on the bottom, which is kind of important for products like this. So yeah, so that's it when it comes to the promise lead. Then the second style of image ads that you can have on your Facebook ad account to increase your ROAS are social proof ads. So the first one says goodbye anxiety, and it says I've been battling anxiety as long as I know, and calm carry has changed my life. Then we have some trust badges on the bottom, lifetime guarantee, natural solution, free trial, and all these things. So the whole point of this ad is that it again states the benefit of your product, but from the social proof angle. So instead of you stating this will calm down your anxiety, what you are doing, you are just taking the reviews and saying how it helped your customers. So that way it's more credible. You don't sound salesy and stuff. So that way you get to communicate your benefit, but from the social proof point. So it's really hard to know which of these two will perform better for your ad account until you test it. It could be that both of these just perform great, but you should test both these things and see which one performs better. So then the second example is for this watch. You can see it works well, fits well, and looks amazing. Then you have the name. So what's really good about this ad is how they have positioned the watch in the middle, so you know what this review is about. And second really good thing is that they have the real name of their customers, which adds even more credibility to this ad. So that is super good. So you can see how both of these ads are communicating benefit through social proof. So that's very good thing, and I highly recommend you to try it out. Then the third one, we have a kind of a funny one. Gives me too much energy. Now I have to do stuff. And what's fun about this one is the 1-star review. And when you scroll your social media and you see the 1-star review, you're going to scroll stop because it's just something that's kind of unusual. Why would any brand push their low reviews on their ads and stuff? And that's why you scroll stop and read about it. It even might make you laugh and stuff. And if it makes you laugh, you will most probably give it a chance to read what this product is about. Now, the only thing I don't like about this ad is that it's just a bit unclear what this product is. If you just look at this 1-star review and you see this guy, you don't know what this ad is about, but you get the point, and you can see how these ads are communicating the benefit of the product. This one is communicating that this product gives just too much energy, which is the benefit, right? And you can see how these ads are communicating the benefit through this social proof. And that way they're just being objective. They're not stating something. They're just saying, this is what our customer says. If you'd like to have these results, these benefits, just buy our product. So that's it. Yeah. Cool. So these are two types of ads that we have covered for your Facebook ads account. And the third type of ad is something that's a bit more harder to make, but since it's harder to make, it can serve you better, it can serve you longer and stuff. And not many brands do this, and I would highly suggest you to try, and it's the type of Proclamation Lead. So what Proclamation Lead is. So in the first example, we have this statement on the top of this ad. Nurses are ditching coffee for this. And what this ad does is it starts with some kind of proclamation, some kind of statement, secret, or something that is kind of unusual, and that will spark your curiosity. And when they do that, your ad shifts from just being a salesy ad to something that's kind of interesting, something that looks like organic post in your feed, something that is unusual and that will grab your attention. So they have this statement, then below it they state what the product is about: natural energy without mid-shift crashes. And when you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see what the product is. So that way you're making kind of the story from your ad. You're making something that will also educate your visitors about some new products that they didn't know about, because most likely their visitors didn't even know that this product exists. But now that they have started this with a proclamation, with some kind of story, they can educate them about some problem that they didn't even know that they have, or solution that they didn't even know that exists. And that way you get to broaden your market and target the cold audience. And that's the main difference between these two type of ads, which is the Promis Lead and social proof, and the Proclamation Lead. Because if you're targeting your visitors just with the benefits and all these things, you are going with the assumption that they know about the problem and they potentially know about the solution. But if you're targeting them with the proclamation or secret lead or even the story lead, you can have a chance to educate them about your product, about the problem that they have, and that way you can just expand through the cold audience and earn more revenue from your ad. So that's the example from the first ad. Then the second ad, you can see they have this lady here, and I bet that this lady, or how this lady looks their persona, their ideal customer. And then they have the statement how this investor gets more ROI in 3 months than most get in a year. So that way they get to scroll stop and get attention from the lady that is like between, I don't know, 25 to maybe 35, whatever, and that likes kind of maybe a luxurious look and that is into investing. And the statement, the proclamation that they have here really sparks the curiosity in the visitor's mind, so that they want to know how this investor really gets that higher ROI in 3 months than somebody gets in a year. They can learn about some secret or something that will potentially improve their life. They have resonated with this lady and now they want to learn something more that will benefit their financial situation. So that way they will click on it, they will go to their product page, and it might be even an advertorial and stuff. And from that point they can literally educate with the storytelling, with everything about this method that they have discovered or whatever. And that way they can tap in the broader market and earn way more than just going straight for the benefit or social proof like we have discovered in 2 examples before. So yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you own an e-commerce brand, and if you like us to help you growing it profitably. Check the link below and like and subscribe if you'd like more content like this, because I'll be posting more tips about Facebook ads, conversion rate optimization, and Klaviyo email marketing. So that's it for this one. See you in the next one.